my CPU overheats, okay? And since it's overheating, it wants to shut off.
84 degrees,
85,
87,
focus,
88, 89.
Oh,
It's
no.
getting there. 90.
Oh, this computer's gonna turn off. Oh no.
I can hear that fan.
Yep, just did it. Today, we're gonna be doing a PC upgrade slash fixing.
Cooler upgrade, if you know what I mean.
Okay, I'm just gonna get low to the ground here. So,
Where is it? Now we have it.
long story short, my computer would randomly turn off for reasons. And there's only one reason. My CPU overheats, okay? And since it's overheating, it wants to shut off.
It does.
Yeah! It turns off, and that's like, it normally doesn't want to like render a video.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And normally when it gets to about 100 degrees Celsius, I'll tell you Fahrenheit's there, but it shuts off. Right now, if you were to look at that, we have the temperature, it's about 35 degrees Celsius, alright? And normally it goes really high when we render something. This here, we're just gonna render out a picture through the CPU. So, that there's the picture that's being rendered, and you can see that the temperature is just going up and up and up. Oh, Corey's rendering another one. This may actually just turn it off.
It's getting up there.
84
degrees,
85,
87,
focus,
88, 89.
Oh,
It's
no.
getting there. 90.
Oh, this computer's gonna turn off. Oh no.
I can hear that fan.
Yep, just did it.
There you go.
So that's what we're gonna fix.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna need to turn this lights back on. Anyways, that CPU fan is not big enough for the CPU, and it overheats it, like my little creeper. Anyways, yeah, Corey got ourselves that CPU fan. We're gonna put that on that.
Hold on. You're getting shut off.
I could just always unplug it. I can always just unplug it from the wall.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now.
No, I'm gonna do that. Don't do that. I got one thing that unplugs out.
Wait, you don't trust me or something?
No, yeah, I have one thing that just unplugs everything here.
Oh, it's an extension cord.
Bam. Okay. So basically, this PC, last time you guys saw this was my PC video.
That is a gaming computer. That is a disco ball. That is a gaming computer. That is a 4-year-old computer that does nothing good for me and it's completely junk. And that's a computer.
Wait.
Dust, miles of dust come up. Alright, so basically we're gonna replace the little thingy in here with Corey's thingamabobber.
No.
Come in the shot screen, Corey.
The singing.
Corey,
What?
come on over here.
Why? Yo.
So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Alright.
Oh, we gotta be so gentle. Oh, no.
Why are you laying on your lap?
Because it's my baby.
It's mine. Okay, now that we have it down, we're gonna need an overhead camera angle. So, this right here is the computer, and that fan right there is gonna get replaced. Do your thing, Corey. All right, we good?
One.
We got one screw. That's it.
No, it ain't.
I wonder how much cooler this is gonna make it.
I don't know. But I know it's gonna be better than this thing. Because this is just like a stock, like a $3 cooler from
I know.
Walmart. Why would they... And the thing is, the Ryzen 7 comes with a stock cooler. Why couldn't they just use that?
Because they're cheap. Corey, look up. Because they're cheap.
I dropped the screw. And what are you gonna do with this cooler after you...
Give it a charity. No. I'm gonna give it to charity.
Oh!
What?
Because there's a thing, there's a plastic thing that goes underneath this thing right here.
Yeah.
It's like a little bit of plastic that goes underneath, and they won't come off because of that.
Well, they better come off.
I don't know how this.
We're gonna need more than one hand. It's like CPU little clamp thing. See the side? No. It's like this. See these little clamps?
Yeah.
I can't do this with the camera in my hand. Oh. Is that good? Is that bad?
I almost passed out because I thought this came flying out. There's dust in it. Then no wonder it's overheating. Blow at that. Well, luckily we don't have to unscrew it because these are still there.
Okay.
But where's the cooler?
Oh my god, we gotta get that dust out of there.
Look at the difference.
Nice.
This is the old one. This is the new one. And look how much bigger the fan is.
Yeah.
This is the old one. That's the new one.
Oh gee. Alright, let me clean this. Yeah, AMD. More like AM bleed.
Do you have any band-aids? I cut my hand on the CPU board.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come with me, my child. Why did that fall off?
Cut it anywhere else.
No, you look good. Echo!
I cut right there on my thumb.
It's all worth it for the views. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? Yeah? You know what I mean? Yeah. You sure? I mean, you'll do anything for views.
I know. You should title this "Replacing My CPU Cooler." Blood warning.
Yes, that's a beautiful title. Yeah, I bet you $100 that's the title.
Well, AMD is Team Red, so I guess it makes sense.
Hmm?
Well, AMD is Team.
Yeah, AMD is Team Red.
There.
Well, please tell me there's no more red blood. I guess it really wouldn't matter. Or would it?
Blood mixed with the thermal paste.
Oh boy, I actually wouldn't be surprised. You sure it's all plugged in?
Yeah. See, its cable's plugged into the motherboard. Let's put it back together.
Oh, I gotta put it all back together now after the blood warning.
Oh God.
No, I need to turn this thing over here on. I need to plug it in.
Okay.
Here, be.
I would have actually passed out if we wouldn't have plugged it in.
And it's in.
CPU cooler spinning.
All right, let's see it. Hold on. I'll get a nice examination. She be thick. Check out that dust. Oh, check out the spin. Cringe. That's a bigger fan, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean?
Look,
What?
it's booting.
It's booting. It's a booting up. It's a booting the boot.
I shouldn't have done that.
It's booting the booty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna open up this.
Let's see what the temperatures are.
See what the temps are.
Please be a little bit lower.
Oh. Oh. We crystal cold. Alright. That picture be loading. And
Turn this around.
turn around.
I can't really see it, but
63. It's not going up to 90.
we run it like 3 times.
No, we ran it twice.
Isn't that an improvement?
Slight. Slight. I mean, it's going down now. Alright, click it again. Alright. Rendering the picture again. We're just doing the same test for both CPUs.
It went up to like 100 degrees when we tried this.
Yeah.
It's not going above like 69.
Oh my god, Corey. Oh my god. Corey, you're in my shot, boy. You know you
Okay,
can
there it
zoom
is.
in. You can zoom in.
I want to though.
71.
Look at that.
And we're done.
We shed blood for this.
We shed some blood for this. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh god. Probably gotta pick some of that stuff up.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Look at how microscopic the CPU cooler is.
He's just a baby.
And then look at how.
Probably just gonna set that on my window seal with like all the other past stuff that we've done.
It's like a mantelpiece. I'm gonna pick
My little creeper, my chicken, my ocelot, my wolf, my pig, my
Luckily.
sheep, and my cow. What?
I didn't record all the blood.
You never record all the bud?
With this camera at least.
Well, yeah, because it's been sitting there the entire time.
Dude, that took a lot longer than 10 minutes though.
Yeah, because the thing was bent. How did it get bent?
I have no idea actually.
Can you look at me when you're speaking?
Yes. Right now.
You know you can zoom in. You don't have to walk. I don't like.
I need to.
Here, I'll walk towards you when I'm zooming in. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now that the CPU is like chilling at like a 40, I think we can end this video.
I think we call this a success. So, I gotta talk. Success.
Success.
6S. Good.
Corey,
What?
drop and give me 5.
You're welcome. Why'd you leave? Oh yeah. Mine doesn't fit. 7 flashbacks.
666 flashbacks. Who are you? No, please, no. No.
Even getting over it.
5 more likes.
Please, no, please, no.
One of us. One of us. One of us. You been getting over it?
Alright, I think that's the end of this video. Alright, bye.